In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the RAM boost option on your Motorola mobile phone. Follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video to avoid any confusion or errors. To enable this, open the settings on your Motorola mobile phone and scroll all the way down to the bottom where you will see the system options. Tap on it. After that, choose the performance profile. Here, enable the RAM boost feature and you can decide how much RAM you want to extend. You can even select the AI auto option where the phone automatically uses up to 12 GB of RAM based on your usage scenarios. This option is especially useful for phones that comes with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM. Any phone with more than 8 GB and sometimes even 8 GB itself may not need this feature unless you are using heavy applications or doing a lot of multitasking. Also, do note that whenever you change the RAM boost settings, you need to restart your device for the changes to take effect. And that's it, guys. This is how you can enable the RAM boost option on your Motorola mobile phone. Don't forget to like and share this video so that we can reach more Motorola users like you. Also, subscribe for more tips and tricks followed by different gadget and mobile reviews on this channel.